Police in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Roanoke, or near Trophy Club, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Flower Mound, Trophy Club, Roanoke, and North Lake around 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Argyle, Bartonville, and Corral City around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Denton around 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Corinth around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Westlake, Ponder, Dish, Louisville Lake, Grapevine Lake, and Marshall Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 near mile marker 468. Interstate 35W between mile markers 58 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 450 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.